Hey guys, Sportshot here, and I'm going to be showing you how you can get wall hacks and Aimbot for free with no download on the popular game called Krunker.io. Now, as you might imagine, playing with this game isn't easy, well, at least for me, because I'm terrible at it. But yeah, obviously hacks are gonna make you a lot better. Well, not your skill, just your score. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to Google, go to Google, that's in caps, Google extensions, and then you have the Chrome Web Store. Now you're going to want to search for Temper Monkey. So right here, Temper Monkey. Now I believe it would be this one right here. So what you want to do is hit that add to Chrome button. You won't be downloading anything to your actual computer, and you can see it has 10 million plus users around the world. It's almost 5 stars. It's like 5.9, something like that. So it won't really hurt your computer at all. Okay, now that you have Temper Monkey installed, you can probably see that if you go to dashboard, you're going to need a script installed. Now to get your script, you can go to greasyfork.org like that, and then you can just search Krunker. And the one that I usually use is the one by Mr. Coder. It has some pretty high ratings. 7, 6, and 10, and he updates it every once in a while. Although the auto heal and the unlimited ammo and the speed hack don't work, the wall hack, the ESP, the ad block, the aimbot, they all work. So you're going to want to click on that, click install script, install, and it'll bring you back here. But when you go to here, you can just refresh the page on your dashboard, and you'll see here it's enabled. Now you want to hit that again just to make sure it's enabled. Operation completed successfully. When you go back to Krunker, you don't want to refresh it, you want to go to a new Krunker game. And when it says this will happen first, a user script wants to access a cross-origin resource. It's just saying that it wants to access the web page. Just hit always allow so you don't have any pop-ups, and you'll know that it's working when you hit or when you see add, or you see the mod page down here. So you can hit play, and now you can see those red bars for the enemies. Those are where all the enemies are. So I'm gonna rush over here to where all the enemies are, and you can see it's automatically aiming for me. That's cool. I just got a double kill. I'll rush over here to the objective. Now it seems not many people are spawning in, because this match isn't exactly full. You can see guest 3 over there. You can see him through the wall, and then it automatically aims for you to get the cap. Your guest 1 will be our last test kill. Okay, now to disable the hack, all you have to do is when you're in the game, you have to hit escape, go up here to the Temper Monkey thing, hit that little thing, make sure it's gray, it'll say disabled, and then you can refresh your game, you'll get back in the same server. Oh, the game's full now, but you get the point. Now the hack is disabled, you can't see people through walls, and let me go find somebody. It's not automatically clipping to them, but yeah. So that's how you hack in Krunker. Please remember to leave a like, hit that bell notification, and subscribe. Share the video if you would like to show anybody else how to do it. And that's about it. If you have any extra questions, just put them in the comments down below. I'll try to reply to most of them within like 24 or 48 hours, somewhere in there.